We're back here at the arena in San Juan for the finals between Ateneo and LaSalle. The 74th season of the UAP Women's Volleyball Tournament. The very first time Ateneo makes it this far for their women's volleyball history, while LaSalle going for their 7th title since the turn of the century. First set, LaSalle was coasting, and then Ateneo made that run, but still fell a little bit short.
Just a little bit short. And Ateneo, once again, showing that they're in a different level, at least in the first set. But LaSalle, once again, that stability, that consistency, showing on that first set. Even the rookies playing like they're comfortable at with the atmosphere of the finals atmosphere here at the arena. And on the other side, Ateneo, parang nangangapa-ngapa pa, at least in the first set. So let's see if they're able to adjust in this second set and try to even up things here in the finals.
That's right. Ateneo, of course, working with a disadvantage here in the finals. LaSalle is technically up 1-0 already. That is because of the sweep that they have managed to take here in season 74.
Once again, more attack points coming from LaSalle, and one block point, at least Ateneo having 2 block points to their skill. And yung errors, Ateneo was able to minimize it at 4. LaSalle with more errors.
Our good friend Rico Blanco,
yep,
actually right behind us.
Enjoying the game of volleyball.
There are so many personalities, players of a different sports, different schools who are here today and have been throughout this season 74, Mosey. I get to talk to a lot of people who are watching volleyball for the very first time, whether it was the semifinals or the elimination round, and it's good to see them, and they come now repeatedly. They come over to the arena.
And you know, a lot of people really wanted to come today, but it's a weekday, and it's 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. So expect a lot more people on Saturday.
That's right, just imagine.
Yes.
Yung pila kanina, under the heat of the sun, under 33 degrees, they were still lining up for tickets for this game. So just imagine the weekend. I'm actually a little, on a personal note, sad that I won't be able to witness this the finals anymore, this historic finals.
You're going to get Jeremy Lin.
But as a
palit. Dito na lang ako.
But as a volleyball lover, you know that, Mosina. This is, you know, a rare opportunity.
That's true. And we have waited for this for a long time.
Napakaganda pa ng taon ng volleyball dito sa UAP as LaSalle scores a point as we check in with Victor Lopez.
Thanks, Boom. You know, in that last huddle, Coach Roger told the girls that he knows that they are nervous. You know, he knows that this is the first time that they're on this stage, on the stage of this level, but he doesn't want that to be an excuse for the girls today. In fact, he told them that no excuses will be tolerated today. Instead, he wants them to be aggressive all throughout this game, asking for more combination plays from the girls, telling them that they have to have more variety in their attacks because their regular plays won't just cut it today. So keep trying to surprise LaSalle. Finally, he told the girls that they can't afford to let LaSalle take control of this game. You know, they're going to try to beat us both mentally and physically, and they're going to do it constantly. So don't stop. They're not going to stop. So we have to remain steadfast in all that we do. Just put your heads down and push forward, Boom and Mosey.
And he's seen it all. Coach Roger said, you know, even in the game against UST, this is what you dream about. This is your goal as players. Sabi niya, para sa akin, wala na to. Nagawa ko na lahat eh. It's really for you. There's no better motivation than being here in the finals.
That's correct. That's what I was going to say. You are here.
Yep.
You made it. Dalang. My gosh, this is what I was talking about. The rookie.
That's beautiful execution by LaSalle.
That's right. The combination play. Look at 2 blockers for Galang, and yet she's able to go down the line. Just playing spectacularly this season.
Lazaro has been a busy girl today for Ateneo, taking all of the serves as Cha Cruz taken by Phil Cainglet. Reverse step, single block.
That was a good idea coming from Jem Ferrer, giving it to Herbacio, while on the other side they were thinking it was going to be an open hit.
Correct, nalito na nga, si Cha Cruz lang yung nakahabol doon.
And that's what you want.
That's what Coach Roger was saying, surprise your opponent. Valdez, who served a lot in that first set nung humahabol sila.
Now she's trying to risk it more. Went wide on that serve.
4-all now. Michelle Gumabao serving. Cruz.
And that
Power
started
tip, yep.
with that faulty first ball coming from Denden Lazaro.
Coach Roger looking at her right now. And the more it happens, the more pressure you feel at naninikip na yung shoulders mo, bumibigat.
Oh, yung muscles mo,
Oo.
naninigas na.
Correct. That's the description there. Oh boy. Is there anything going beyond that net?
Credit the floor defense for
Yes.
batting in.
Ferrer goes back to Phil. This time she puts a little more into it.
Still using the blockers of De La Salle to take that one. It's for sure the defense of De La Salle is really centered on Phil and Alaya Valdez. So si Jem has that huge task of pulling the defense of De La Salle.
Jem was there for coverage. They go back, and LaSalle expected it. Jack Cruz again. Oh, what an angle. For Charlene Cruz, and you and I agree, one of the best all-around players we've seen in the last few years in the UAP. I talked to her about that compliment, and she says she hates being the position that she really wants to play is the libero.
Oh, pero how can you put her in?
She hates the time that she was setting. Remember that?
Yes. She's made it to a setter, I think, on her second year.
Yes. She hated it. She felt like she was so not...
She's comfortable in
very much.
her position, her natural position.
She felt her biggest strength is being a utility player, but her favorite position that she always wanted was to become a libero because gusto daw niya kunin yung mga palo ng kalaban.
And that's a good thing because as a libero, you really need to want that position.
Yes, correct.
You accept it and want it.
Because it's an unglamorous position. So you get the source of pride from able to dig. And now LaSalle again with a 2-point lead going into the technical timeout. Back in a moment.